What if there was a single molecule that could hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water? Meet hyaluronic acid, the hydration hero, your skin simply can't live without. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring substance in your body with about 50% of it found right in your skin. It acts like a microscopic sponge, drawing in moisture to keep your skin plump and supple. But as we age, our natural levels drop significantly, making topical supplementation essential. Not all hyaluronic acid is created equal. High molecular weight molecules sit on the surface for immediate plumping, while low molecular weight molecules penetrate deeper to improve elasticity from within. The best products use a multi-level blend for complete hydration. When formulated correctly, hyaluronic acid delivers 7 proven benefits: unparalleled hydration, enhanced elasticity, a strengthened skin barrier, accelerated healing, antioxidant support, a visible reduction in fine lines, and a radiant, youthful glow. Please like our video to support our channel and click the links in the description to read the complete guide on hyaluronic acid and discover how to choose the perfect hydration hero for your skin.